Channel 3 early warning weather.
Well, we got a killer weekend ahead for us. We're going to be looking at some cooler temperatures by then. In the meantime, some more 70s. And we're also kicking off some nice outdoor events. It's going to be a big weekend for runners. We got the Hartford Marathon, half marathon. We're going to be looking at 50s for the start of the race. And it's going to be a little humid outside, but the most important thing is that we're looking at just some spot showers, if anything. So temperatures are ideal. We'll see some nice cloud cover to shield the sun and northeast breeze of 5 to 10 miles per hour. So just about what we're looking for this time of the year. Also have the Chicago Marathon on Saturday, and then on Sunday, then Boston Marathon on Monday. So it could be a little interesting to see how that plays out on Monday. But otherwise, we're looking at very good conditions for the beginning of the weekend. We know that just some isolated showers, if anything. Looking at our pinpoint Doppler right now, we've got mainly clear skies actually across Connecticut. So not seeing any returns as of right now. And we'll be looking at those dry conditions overnight. The one thing we're watching for is potentially some fog development. Our temperatures right now, we're seeing 50s across not only inland areas across Connecticut, but also across the shoreline as well. Bridgeport hanging on to those 60s over there. New Haven, 57 degrees. And up in the Northwest Hills, 55 in Salisbury. So no 40s even across some of the high terrain areas of Connecticut. Zooming out, we've got this surface high pressure over New England right now. That's securing our dry conditions. We did see some cloud cover spill into the area earlier this evening, but that's passing to the south of us. Seeing plenty of showers across the Midwest and, in fact, some tornado potential across the Southeast. But we are in just the right spot at the right time to get some nice conditions. That'll lead into tomorrow as well. So what we're looking for tomorrow is potentially some cloud cover and some fog developing in the morning, particularly across the Connecticut River Valley. And that should fade away into the late morning. And then we're still getting some clouds. So we're kind of in this ridge of high pressure. We still get some of that relatively warm ocean air spilling into some areas, giving us some of that moisture to create some cloud cover. And we'll see that cloud cover from time to time on Friday. Can't rule out a spot shower across some of the high terrain areas. Here's a look at Tallinn County earlier today. Joey sent this in. It's a waterfall, and I'm sure some of you know right off the bat where that is, but I'm not quite sure where it is in Tallinn County, but absolutely beautiful. You can see the cloud cover that we had up there earlier. That did start to dissipate in some areas, but a lot of us did deal with that cloud cover today and starting to see some of those leaves changing, but Mother Nature just taking its time as of right now because I think the trees are a little confused, you know? So it's not that cold as of right now as we get into October. 58 degrees right now in Kent, 54 in Wallingford, and we're seeing some of those elevated dew points, which may lead to some fog development later on today. Our wind speeds are mainly calm as of right now, and that is a good ingredient for some fog production. You want those weak winds, and you want a high pressure on top of us. Bam, bam, we got those two. So again, we're going to be watching for potentially some low visibility in areas like Hartford overnight. Calm winds as of right now in the capital city, 57 degrees. Our low temperatures for tonight pushing into the 40s inland, 48 degrees in Enfield and New London down to 52 degrees for tonight. Our high temperatures for tomorrow, once again, feeling really good outside. 74 degrees in Hartford and 70 degrees in New London. And we've got an easygoing forecast, which of course we are going to savor every one of these days. We're looking at just a slight chance of rain once we get to Saturday. 6-7 degrees on Sunday, and we're back to the 70s on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. A lot of indications that we are just not going to see too many signs of fall conditions for the majority of October. So we're looking at some nice average or above average temperatures moving forward, and we'll see a mixture of clouds and sun as we approach the weekend.
Connor, thank you very much.